good conference. Interesting topics, like-minded investors. Overall, very good.
Got a great lineup of sessions today, all focused on the biggest challenge for insurance investors.
Maybe you can tell us a little bit about how the current environment over the past year or so has changed the way that you've been doing product development.
We currently already fall to about almost 80 basis point negative spread. So the past decade, the whole industry in Taiwan tried to manage the old problem by selling new policy at much lower rate.
We have to know whether a low interest rate environments actually translate into a low investment return or not. The past 7 years is not the case, even for Indonesia, from high to low investment rate.
The biggest challenge for us is basically, as a new insurance company, we tend to have a higher liquidity requirement and a higher quality investment requirement than the general insurance companies. And nowadays, as you know, the yield is very low.
End of the day, the investment strategies that we employ are more duration or rather ALM driven, and you're trying to match liabilities.
But I think for insurers like yourself or credit analysts like myself, do we really want to have such a bumpy ride along the way?
I think it makes a lot of sense to spend a lot of time initially to understand whether the whole organization is behind it, because the one thing you don't want to do is go into a stop-go mode, like the head of investments wants to do it, but then the risk function or the finance not on board, or it's not properly modeled.
First of all, could I have a show of hands?
The event was very enjoyable, and the part that I like the most is that I can hear about the practice of other insurers in Asia.
Alastair was good. Look, I mean, it was an interactive forum. I think the way it was run in terms of panel sessions, one-on many presentations, workshops, I think it was an effective forum to mix with a range of institutional investors.